As reports about the cannabis legalization bill float around, the Canadian investors seem to be showing an increased interest in Cannabis 2.0. But what exactly is it? Hello and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields reporting for kalkinemedia. The term Cannabis 2.0 basically refers to the advancement of the cannabis industry, including the launch of new categories like cannabis-infused edibles, vape pens, and topicals. In other words, it's believed to mark the technological advancement in cannabis cultivation and extraction to enhance the consumer experience. The players who are regularly evolving and expanding their cannabis portfolios despite business challenges are likely to stay in business for a long time and benefit from the expected marijuana boom. So that said, let's have a look at two TSX-listed cannabis stocks that are on investors' radar. Tilray is a global pharmaceutical, cannabis lifestyle and consumer packaged goods company. Its Tilray Brands launched a CBN vape pen, and that day itself, its stock galloped by over 22% to close at $8.79 a piece, with a 4.7 million shares switching hands. The stock soared by almost 29% as well over the past few days. The company has recorded a net profit of $5.79 million in the second quarter of fiscal year 2022, compared to a net loss of $89 million in the second quarter of fiscal year 21. Its shares were trading at $10.24 on the 28th of March. Canopy Growth Corp is one of the largest cannabis companies in the world, based in Smith Falls, Ontario. The company recently said that its scientific and research team has reported positive results from a 6-month clinical trial study on CBD's effects on menstrual health. This stock has surged over 16% in the past few days, and its shares were trading at just over $10 on the 28th of March. Although Canopy Growth stock plummeted from its previous close of $10.83. And that concludes our list. The legalization of recreational cannabis use on a federal level in the US could stimulate the footprints of Canadian companies like Tilray and Canopy Growth, which are already rooting for expansion and growth opportunities south of the border. Which is why these stocks are ones to keep an eye on. Now that you're up to speed, hit the bell icon to stay up to date. I'm Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.